Seche Mensabusu Abrampa, a former MP for Swami. Na Mrashabedem or Cherehoyi, na Yanini Nkomo and Fansimbi, whom he man. Honorable watching. Now, when your mamma and China no pay ya, and one amity say, Mahama Yariga, a majority leader. What the assembly Kotum Nashabe say, a beya, young fret was signing a Fanny Markins, a privileges committee, and him. Na privileges committee, no. Ye frewa, a dear bad dient in your frewa, na asamba, a dear bena, a becoswo.
You come in, that's it. Me, I'm a chino, and you may pan. Mammy, your baby, Yadika. Then you may pan and a tea. Then you see my baby feeling. I mean, Nika cafe. I think you are, and I say, Peninsula appointing to Quano. Piano at the crossroad. Near Jesse from Boko. Think I say, me answer and make the hospital. Me appeal to the majority leader, the speaker. Me 24 more, what I say, that's the way, no, the also no more efficient. Yes, sir, I can hear a bay here, Emfa, as an apadiama. Ye who be paying. A bar, my sebijum would be kind. Yea, MPP for a bar, my sebijum would be kind. I say, maybe it could see, sir. The number the outside parliament. Na propose Yankuma, another propose Yankuma. Nami obey ambassador. The meaning the friend, another propose Yankuma, so ambassador. Uzu Ankumo. Call not somewhere, or ye. Member of Parliament for second D. One a month for Kushia in Oka Asimbi. And a seminar Oka, be a bar and kind. A beca say, a puja Uncle Simbi Awaka or second D. A good speaker, no horse umbrella, enemy. Speaker Jazana and no. Nti parliament in na omo ntwena so asem no e baaye no na mrase bedwani bi e fe no DY Mensa no wo ono no same no represent EG constituency ho ono na anabo kwabna Dr. Kwabna Donko e bi di na de no na DY and the conference by Parliament say as my proposal Yankuma can yen financial privileges committee. That don't know cast na Parliament can near transfer and near pon near fear de bi near sorry and the conference as in the by. Nti emuno na speaker aman boy say the my privileges committee. Ye kakra o ma se beje fie ho. Na leaders no transfer. I'm going to speak on a transfer. I can't say no. Uncle Sido, baby. I should be intino, and I said no, I could die. And tea, and I make a sense. We say, we know so, we better now, for the peace of the house. Now, some man casa and so. And saying the material, the sanity, na the material say a speaker, I say, Equat Parliament, the Equat Parliament, or no speaker, no, I can say, or my composition of delegation to the Equat Parliament. And according to him, no, a senior Markins, our minority leader, they say, no, on Cameron. And I will say, I could pay more. Until they say, one chair or football are or no speaker. Any Ghana's parliament, and I could pay on tea. Or no man or parliament, and so on. To a good parliament, name must go no speaker, no message. The Evanenco Privilege Committee, the material no sanitia na se say na me de me tea ni na asano ekofa bae no na yese ika oye onuna parliament oye ye tete kuku a committee ba so for no speaker na ye the chairman of the committee of selection and na ye say juma committee of selection no na ehhehye say parliament part here and now when you know the parliament for you see it don't see enkonya no so a new parliament ye show mu inna and nema mu dika ye no and say omo tete ba so for no committee of selection na ye say juma no speaker ye chairman no and na ye say juma no na committee of selection no and so ebe ye say juma no ya na omo jama caucus no minority caucus and majority caucus woman na eye omo compose the membership of the various committees and yes speaker no eye even though he's the chairman of the committee no e jaima caucus so no maye me e wo mu ni say emra ye di ye ne say afanu ni mi no e bia ho den that is the numerical strength of the caucus no e determine say wo the kubia no members a wo say ku no so no so ye cha ye use o caucus no strength and ni o chance ye na ye 88 that me no mo share committees no na minority for no ye 88 and a 276 membership no ya kan nyina no akọ majority caucus no nti omo chiche committee bia ratio no omo use no eye the 88 against the others no mo diache nti more or less 1/3 to 2/3 and na mo diache na se ni America no caucus no so ha minority ni majority no wono mo ha usually no omo jama whips no say whips no enye say ejuma no the leadership ni shia no mo jama whips no say omo nye say ejuma no make us a whips no wa omaje bia background obia aba so for so dada ni data e woni ho ni bio data any na academic achievement ni bibia na ewo caucus no na omo dia ma na leader ni dia ma kwepam no gina so dia composition of the committees omo wia leaders ne be discuss omo discuss bibia wo ho asem kana we dey we ni say yemfa we nko ha omo wia caucus na wie no na obia de list o makohia na mo de akoma committee on selection na speaker chair no the committee no ye na ne say o mo kan listen ni no ebo e je say mo de aba plenary na afi ye plenary na be bless o mo de nhira beto so say we committee we say it. The speaker himself doesn't get involved in who goes where a committee no and a man final blessing nti sana etie nti ena me let me stress say enya the chairman of the committee speaker no ena ono kwatra se ehye we nko ha committees na ye anu nti na say me fa na say kwan bi ebe da ha na sense of my mention mu say committee caucus na ye adintia se ne beye na ebia obi yire no ho aye juma the caucus can recognize that and recommend him to ebia party no penny for say oh we obana ho modin committee we super ndi bibia abasbody bi o ha ebia o se de mana ebia mana obana ho modin committee no so ye wo minority and bia na me gwa na setumi ni ba ye ho a maybe the caucus then can recommend say we ye parent ko ha ye parent ko ha. That is why the caucus is in charge of who goes where. Now say BBC next year you be a free committee be so na ko baby a caucus will decide and yet the speaker. A caucus will decide it is not the speaker. Now onyeba ko akotia ofree mu no say e probia shara na ya is the caucus who propose say
and yes speaker and they decide say the only fair will be to the privileges committee them a caucus no
me say make a composition of committees no asem na.
Oh, okay, right.
Na make a caucus na ye. Na entina me pese me say asem no ne kofa buy say caucus no decide say bia ECOWAS parliament no ye nkrofo ni na speaker ka say bia me mpene we nkwa no the speaker cannot do that. A caucus may decide. The caucus may decide to say afenyo ne nkwa. The speaker cannot say me my uncle.
But mami radio we. Sa ECOWAS parliament no. Caucus no betimi aka say okay you are not a member, be a former member na bibi sa but sa event we dey ye pese oko. Bibi sa timi si.
First of all, what na asem na make na kwame so ma me anisi ya gabe ti na
wada roma meet you.
Me pese me say nipa na ekobo no. Parliament na so omo. So the parliament and a delegation or committee from Ghana's parliament. Now a composed delegation now is a caucus now say a very caucus in the share say ECOWAS parliament nipa ngo chine eko. Nipa ngo china eko represent Ghana parliament no. Ye cha say no say che no. All the numbers in the che. Nti ABI number no, omo number no ye 1/3. The 1/3 ni bia mo entitled to me ensa. Ye 2/3 ni entitled to insia to inum. Then ke nine. The majority will take 6, the minority will take 3. But over chair no, they say any city no. Over here no be obenya 2.6 or something. Now we shall bring area 5.4. Now all round and upper no 2.6 2.7 no. Let's not be 3. Now no be 5.2 5.3 no. In 2.5 in the negative no 5. That is how it is. Until I make us a caucus or decided on. I didn't say no I problem by Emma I'm the speaker by now so say for the Rabba Patricia PG Echo. Anna Patricia PG can say she wasn't consulted. And I didn't echo. Now already as far as she's concerned, you won't caucus me choose. So okay, no. Anyway, and no enema that was a chassis no. Nti omo call ye no nem se afanya no call ho na sika se the why ye no si we nko wo so kopie ho dia wogu ntia na parliament so decide nti wogu parliament so ntia nti eno ne se wo conduct no contemptuous of parliament wogu parliament ntia nti na ye se ye fa nko privilege committee no de ho na me ka se ye hwe ni se ne be ya asumje be ba kwano na maka eno wie no na asefofo a ehia se ebeka ho asem say afenyo okọ no na all right se obekọ na se uni right obekọ ECOWAS parliament nankasa no omo protocols. First of all, ma menchire mu se ECOWAS parliament no ehokọ no emra no ankasa kire se oman bia no Ghana, Nigeria, among West African countries where ECOWAS parliament ni dunum no. Obia de number e dia mano no ye to aba, then ye to aba yi mampeni, ye to aba yi mbase bejafo no. E wo say Ghana nke ye to aba yi ye nkrofo a ombeko ECOWAS parliament.
Oman ne to aba.
Also oman ne to aba.
Wow.
Sa na wo say ye no, tezania uko European parliament omoto aba yi nkrofo ko no. So nse e hono sanity.
Yes, I know.
Enti sana ye Ghana wo say sana West African countries also mo ye. Na emu ye nyina ye tumu say no ya ho odin no ntimi ma yen sa tumi because apart from ECOWAS parliament yes na wo Pan African parliament and no South Africa. Ndi eto abayi ECOWAS parliament na wo say san yi ya sa to abafoforo san yi o mo abeko Pan African parliament no. Dinge eto ababa ko a you agree say that one dey beto number eto ababa ko a o say eto eyi MP so mo Ghana eto abayi the presidential candidate, the president. Ya sa to abayi MPs a umbeko ECOWAS parliament. If you Ghana ako MPs a umbishi Ghana ako Pan African parliament. But African countries and West African countries ni jitu mu say ni sa ahoden no. And nti na mo de ahoden akoma parliament ne say until say amai man be ready say beto aba by universal adult suffrage eyi nipa akọ no akọ the two parliaments no yema parliaments no and constituted themselves into electoral college no munyi amanfo emra emisi amana no anything na MPs no omo hwe emu a no mo yi nipa ama ko represent oman no or the various parliaments ECOWAS parliament to say Pan-African parliament to now the two parliaments or the friend protocol establish parliament no protocol no emra establish ECOWAS parliament ba ko ne say the top amount na say wo be parliamentarian wo ECOWAS kwa so say ye bo akunyama na wo be ye anase de usi akunya so ho as a member of parliament wo ECOWAS parliament wa so na parliament no time so na say wo parliament no time so because Ghana ye parliament no ye life no ye life span no and your co-terminus was that of the ECOWAS parliament. And the ECOWAS parliament is here. That's what I'm saying. Sanity.
Okay.
And the you know, any ECOWAS parliament and you had the crop. And the Israel in, and my one who say Israel in, you continue to be a member of that parliament until say one more time, Beshon.
Say, Bia. Metam soon wo ECOWAS parliament ba ahaya to abakura tia me I continue to be a member
and Emrana say you continue to be a member until you are replaced by the country's parliament. Say unyemme say ebia olusu sita so olusu sito parliament wa you still continue to be a member until parliament no a day one name see me beba. Kwame, as far as we say, very interesting because me ECOWAS parliament na same way we say BC Benin omutuaba etia abranti bia no ECOWAS parliament ho. For whatever reason, he continued to come because no more parliament and for be me see na nine. And he forbear 2 years na odeba parliament ho. Ansana actually your parliament no chance edu ga be replace na if you go no wa maybe you so until that person was there then the particular actually so the need for no safa no say omo ambassador to Ghana be friend no Honorable Asuman.
Oh wow
until Sunday mano is see until the mission say nipa no time and so the time on show ECOWAS parliament maybe a young parliament at trouble. So, to say the neck, yayi, second no na ye 44. Na numbers near Pentino, almost the same. Young majority near 137 plus 1, my just one seat advantage. Na minority near 137. And then seat near 275. No, I mean, na ECOWAS parliament. Na we were a 9. Minority MPP phone 19, MPP phone 19, 44. And maybe that 44 was what? I bet I'm say 53. 20 MPP phone, one more so at tobacco. So at tobacco. You won't say Parliament in the Nippon or order than Abiana on your trouble, MPP side and your trouble, while winning. And you are winning the other any amount of easy. But if the cell phone now winning there, it creates a problem. In that case, now we'll say the caucus now on the cell phone no call you know. I'm transfer any case. Nipa 9, I'm not representing. Oh, to see numbers no, it's what until we are entitled to 3, not 4. Until ECOWAS protocol also say. The Nipa MP or next any time on so he can continue in Tibia. Mona in traffic, yen home, Bako and in free home. Now, increase speed for the NDC. na omaye omuntena arrangement no mo yi bi aba kwafiri ho se omu nyina awene ya mo yi ba kwafiri ho na create space na additional space for the NDC se nipa na kasa mi mfiri ho a kwame it creates a huge problem because it be a Ghana thing when person dey bo sa for na no get involved in it and no there na it didn't have to do with numbers no na majority and then those people no na I was say ne minority na I was say nipa no efi ho to allow for another person and also he created a problem for the minority at the time and the protocol no was them again kakra and the minister make can say Apanya used to be a member and he say info on nan kantonto ne be sin so a say unfiwa na he has to agree. So I agree, and no can be far. I mean, say minority leader would not say if I have to step out, the minority leader to protect the good image of Ghana's parliament. Me not say Minko. Honey, they are a quite a first in the panico. You see, ECOWAS parliament, you know, the sharp, you know, ye say the two groups, majority minority for no. Enko ECOWAS parliament. Na enka a friend saying the leaders ako Pan-African parliament. The two leaders na ko Pan-African parliament. Me ba ye do me so no. Namo as wait for namo ECOWAS parliament. But me be ye leader no. And I want to make Pan-African parliament. Me manko because some na ambuderi na be ye the deputy minority leader. Na I am Mr. Say, and I'm saying those no parliament for no parliament, no Oko Pan-African parliament, then our Chileans are now my. Now what the chairman, but now in your Mendes for no one to a quarter of frono, my many do it. Until I may cast a voluntary Mikasa Minko, ambush unko. Ambush Lusu seat and free honor, Nitu ne buy. I did the same thing to Nitu, say Nitu unko Pan-African parliament in the Minko. Because Nitu unko a for. And these are internal arrangements. Yenya yitini eye. Nti yes you know. And yet but I just want to stress to say leaders know role to play. Because say anabo Muntaka any agbisi. Omo time na almost NDC muno alteration the bemo. Agbisi was the deputy leader. But answer no be deputy leader no ko ECOWAS parliament. Eti obeye Muntaka so beye kwepo na nka wote Muntaka ko ECOWAS. But Muntaka decided say obeko he opted to abisintra eho as the deputy leader na ontra ho na onu mumu as we for Pan-African parliament. Within the NDC no almost omo swap their own internal arrangement. Until near Ubisa the referral of the member, the minority leader to ECOWAS parliament to privilege committee. No, the cover by make us a in same year. But finally, on even the referral, and near me, you know, indicated to me say when Ayariga made the petition, the speaker I can say.
Now I'm away. Mammy Musa question we Afenyo you are replacing and now you're replacing as we speak.
The replacement in America, who replaces him? He is a minority leader. Who replaces him? What caucus in the what you decided there? Caucus in the what you decided there? When they call. It is really it's not for the speaker to say that see we inkutu and that is not how it is done. Asano ni kofa by neho. Asano the Nikai in as what you are come ni kofa by neho. So who replaces him? Or no whatever. Is the caucus in the year or more compositions there? And if a bakum and saying and CNN or no the list nakoma the committee on selection. So and I say the parliament, no parliament no assume. Nobody call. That is the convention and the practice in the house. The Ubi Echo Cassette my own code, I'm doing and then call replace her. Like as a Ukusi caucus, no, imu a cause a confusion in the caucus. No, it's not proper. And I see case Nankasa, then I'm kind maybe material and near material in run was say, because we are making a prima facie determination of the case there, we are breaching the privileges of the house. Is in contempt of the house. We are referred the conduct to privileges committee. The speaker, I'll be trying a German no say, or yes, that initial determination is there. And there are 7 committee in Hono. I don't know what. Can the committee contradict the speaker? Oh, okay, a honor also no, a honor from Madrid and say, and pay you, papa. Okay, the immediate may make a woman say. We have been saying, a woman I'm between a process in Mahe, then they are ye between ye. Also, the country will say, committees of parliament in the speaker is the chairman of the committee on selection. But I've told you that my kind say, even though a chairman, no one will decide to say, we be quiet, we be quiet. I find no necessary molest. No matter what, the speaker now. The committee now come up. He blesses the marriage in between the two factions. Waiting now. My consummation of committees to now, or my membership in our proposal. And then the catcher will say, the speaker no na composition in there, and Abia, a quam better baby. And the speaker now between a talk at the name of the Yakosha and I meant to Cocosuno and Morano say, the quam better baby, Omo and Fa. Would be replacing. But the power to appoint also vests in the authority the power to remove. And the caucus on the day only panico. Now say a crime better while. And I say, if you see Juniper Conify, why be among busy and the among single committee, no caucus has the authority to withdraw that person and replace him. It is not vested in the speaker. And then I say, wait, if it is a summer. Meeting a camel, if he said, let's say, minority leader also referred to privilege committee. All the other Sakasakadeba, Massage Fiora, inventions of Papa.
Eti weya speaker, I refer no speaker, only to me, and now over to me. One refer no a co one swa, say now, who did this a bessie? Pedia, would you actually in our Wadama?
Oh, sir, Macas will be a petitioner. The speaker on the strength of petition will be a prayer to the speaker. Say, Magdalene say, and I'm a who we indeed, the majority of the Bacono be a mrash in the Enfanenco Privilege Committee. Which are 8 years or no, a big trade my Privileges Committee. I said an American. Meaning, it's a comment na me from speaker no say no clear. Or say a prima facie determination has been made by him. Say a fall foul of the provisions to a breach the privileges provision. The Enfanenco. It is a there. Say Americans and 10 years there. Let's just say you cannot make a determination that you are making determination that there. Now, as no co-privileges. To contradict the speaker, say, the speaker can get no credit. The Hono Kakano, so now me say, the commentary after Ayarga, the majority that I pray the speaker say, oh no, same one who refer the contract, and the commentary from the speaker, so me say, the material, send me a car, no, and Padia, which is the Hono Zunga, and pay you. I come in the Macanian. A bush at them, they use a meeting at class and on my class. And send the car say, D.Y. Mensa in 1998, Kofas in BTA, Papu Jankuma. Papu Jankuma was not in leadership at the time. But the House sat, by the leadership sat, led by Samuel J.H. Ushe Champon for the majority and J.H. Mensa for the minority. Amukushia, Amutu Emma, I said no. Omucha hang at the Casasso. I will pray the Parliament, a bit learning, useful lessons from Sassimo. Now, especially when this time it involves the leader, not the Obaka CC. I mean, the year to year.
Now, Mofa, when my Musadie, Honorable Osayne Afeyomaken. Obi Busana no say a yeden will copy ho. And now, in his own, who say, what does he a member of the ECOWAS Parliament?
Kwame. Oh, as well beside me, may contrast the laws of Ghana and the laws of the ECOWAS Parliament.
Oh, sure, okay.
Me say ECOWAS Parliament member na say you talk about man na oba ho ne do si akonya no so a say you talk about woman the ones you are a member no you remain a member of the ECOWAS Parliament.
Okay.
Until say Parliament next time beso. What you say? Na me say Parliament ECOWAS Parliament ne Ghana Parliament next time no time mo breso no nya de kro. Nti Parliament of Ghana time no beso no mo time no so yi. Is if I call you a member of the ECOWAS Parliament next time on so ya. So that's why winning the elections in Ghana he continues to be a member. The protocol establishing ECOWAS Parliament is sanitary.
And the idea one was so be a woman who say, and Casses and commanding in Aquatuaba.
Then clear. Let me say, ECOWAS, and Penforum, who say, you say African countries in your own BSR.
There be one
Ghana for in your war. And then the form of training war. So, to say, you 16 regions. They were. And the Kwame say to a bar. Bianca, Abian, say, okay. And I'm saying 16 regions in Tibia. Regions in the Iron Camon Universe. Never from Gusian from Munko. Just one proposal I make. I'm not saying that I'm running check. Abia, the kind of regions mean no book. Regions mean no. Only no proposal in the past. We see the Bakaba, we see the Bakaba. We are got to Musaba. A Musaba, you bring a majority. No, let us say, on echo. Alternatively, bit Naka, Sanko Fono, will be a person of piano. Maybe a bit I elect, say Nipa, say now, Mudomo Haba, on better Moko represent Ghana or ECOWAS Parliament. Maybe I need a Musaba. We are on my money in Arkai. We bring out a donor 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you want copy mochi, you bring or more binya and Matodono. If you are, it is almost an equal represent Ghana or ECOWAS Parliament. Then I the same thing for the African Parliament or South Africa now. But in America, African countries and the West African countries, who says in this hour, Dana, it be a Sabato. You know, we two minama the parliament in the countries, various countries, say, Omni in Nipa, Enfa, or Mumra, a further thing. The ECOWAS Parliament and the Pan-African Parliament. Or can say, a man be young or thing. Nafi, you between a man for no, the friend universal adult suffrage, you know. Say a 12-year president will be able to be, you know. Nanka, or my money answer to a day, send pan alcohol. The Indian do honor, yes, in the parliament, and Yammo can only say any panamera. The parliament is also a nipa qua. Caucus, no, I want any determined say, Caucus we. Would independ me, would independ me, Saba, would independ me, about say a 9-9, and now say in Sia against 2. So, not on my side, no my internal remains now. Coming, Sana,
see, what for now, my memory, as I near Beban Samuelson, and nay, Nana could do Ajima Rollins, and there were my a year. Na, Moody Sabre and Winnie. Aha. Now, make I say, one in the Kunu, Quasi Rollins, Eba Yenum near the Adiana, Sabre Kumasa for. It will be quite born, but mean kindly Paco boy, say. So your 40 years, you would have begged you, or Kaka or beg Jai. I'm pretty. I am wrong. The man to do a baffle flash station from our first one, you know. Although you are different, so no, who have begged you, and pass who you are, Joe. And then,
Maminka, and I'm putting the two, I know.
Wow!
Samre no ukaya na akoshe Japan
ai
na we yi school ufro and I'm so nani enyum to
so ofiri breman ai
Dr. Donko Fojo ni nana pa ni akoshe Japan
Dr. Donko Fojo say Dr. Roman for Dr. Donko Fojo
ai
wow
ni wo fa se pa ni enti akoshe Japan enti onna na wo wie suku a na nani eji enyum to ho ntine o ka se opeso ayi okojo ni African Brothers amen enti enyum edi kan a ayi em say ampedu ni toye eni sa anyum na wo beju
wow
enti na obisa say ni hu bi come yes the early part of the PNDC amamuni de come ni mo din na fifi wo pa sabio yenka gana for ya ashafie no sini pekum ni ebu ni pa we ko ha na sese ye curfew ni mo ya na so kwa ni mu no abai no stabilize no na fi ni ma improve kakra na ko bi agemai eni si e ka ma ahoden women's empowerment em say ono no de ba ya mammu ni ye manchi chirimu say e ma so chefa awo amammu ni o manchi chirimu nti ye ma wo kwan ye ma ono baby NCE you say we be sami akwame the concept and indeed practice now of women's empowerment because nana ko bi agemai ono na o pejaye o Ghana ya mamu ni amanchi chirimu ya nuna enam so ma okote 31st December women's movement na odi buani kunu wona mamu but at the same time no she was also fighting for the inclusion of women in governance and they say the momo kwan na omonya baby ahye na fi enam so kra so ama say e mom baby ahye wo amamu mu no manchire mu a amen ni na ejira so ne say ye bema ho kwan ama sebe wo mu enya enwomahua so ho emphasis nti until Koga Jama no bet onto the political scene no titru ewo ye kwase no na emma pa school sem no ye mfa ne serious sa
o dabi
ye mfa ne place sa be ma ne oba wo ho a ne papa ne maame sabio se emu odin no a kware school mu ehwe emu odin no e be hwe be ma na ne ja oba no
kre
pa ne de o de ne se ye ntikiru ewo aka mamu no obe sefie na obe so aware na edo ama ye de ama aware na
eno kwa de me na na kwa de yo se oba de oba ba ho
ta oba de odi ni se obe ko ijade na ye kire wo mo biane no a eno ni ade na na ma me kire no bebi obedu ni mfie so no okwa aware ya na obeye ye de sha ase nkora bere mu a kire na ntina adisuasem no ekiri kakra na meka se okmane you be bika e de bo na Koga Jama ya baswa women's empowerment beginning with the proper foundation na or pese de ma wo mo se wo mo adisuamu no ye ma wo mo fatin papa awa adisuamu ibami ye ni bibia ka fa ma me ne ho no sa de no bi wo se bono ye bona budini kase ewo even if a posthumous award be needed mano also my moon 18 years at the emano at the danase ewo introducing the concept of women empowerment ewo Ghana what do say o share say na ase e chire ansana omoko ewiase nyina be dia tumu akoye ho international conference of Beijing on women's empowerment that was more than 10 years after Koga Jama e Ghana ha akosa akodin no a sana wiase nyina India to Makoyan and want another conference.
One more by and one day, what a woman can do, what a man can do, woman can do better.
Absolutely, Kwame. And Nana Quadrant mine. Yema Nabushia de Mifetino. Na a manutrim quanso, Sanya man or the buyer, Amagana, a ma, Chiku, and Yahoo and Faso.
Mammy must say, was she celebrated enough? A brand what Tiasia, because Sadia or the buyer, in one, Yebenya. A ma chief justice, a one a benya ma a chief of staff, a muna, a nema biblia sorry, a mama, so do buy a manager crowd or bank here, who is safe, Kakranum near. So sad ye or no so at the buy ye, was she celebrated enough?
First of all, Kwame, Miaokano, the outcome of something. I can say you being a first chief of staff, and a baby cry, a queen moon, our first Inspector General of Police, a real bar, a being first chief justice, and me a daddy. I mean, the fact no, not anything. Papimina say the ma woman and the tear woman shame. And the ma, for the first time in the history of this country, no. The constitution. Sir, and it's what you know, constitution, no, 1993 constitution. I'm the same, ye say, Yema at the same year, near Shassie, oh, at the Shassie cry, Amode, in Feno, FQ, free compulsory universal basic education, a better constitution. Free compulsory universal basic education. And never name men, I have on school. Yemma school no kwa. Me yemma obia nso enya sa right of attending school no. They say a compulsory. Obia fa na school. Come ne fatum ne ho. Now you are asking who be say was it celebrated enough? Sometimes obi yes ani me ya. Ojane ho to ha. Now the name of nyina etunse ni ya. I don't say baby, on by ye or say, and can say, was your bono about something. Any patches in a bona budia, a ye. Name was a walker, the coaching, yeah, dear. Yeah, no female, a greater value. I didn't hear. That's all. That's a teacher or no not buying was so. And the dear man, now a bit self serving. So, now a bit self serving. So I not buy was into buying the diamond. But my morning night yet to say, dear, baby, said you said in previous. Some make a make a shot and make a say, and it may be your heart, as I said, no more. Okay, say a Menkai or my morning in a year. I mean, December 31st, 1982. Oma, a Timofua. You go far woman, you go come woman, you move ko ba say car cra Prince Gawa, our mokofa, the akoye operation no na esi Rollins no fee. Yes, key crown than the table so as a day. I shall say, one key crown and saf can saf than the table so you the so cat will quit the war. Fanny many in the bow. Ever, I'm a senior maker. Nipia or now so now. So, until the you know, the positives and negatives, no twins in here. Because, Nini, yeah, SCD. So, can it be when you pay into the can it be what? No Hokurampunua. We know also minus so many about everything. That's what I believe in. And I mean, GD.
Mati.
Near the near Grambuno. You want to make a manson cacra. Many manson say I before. Now I'm so launching the book. Somewhere I was a leader. Now, or invite me. Honey, now Assembly who Parliament is maintaining uncle. If you don't mind, my man assurance never. As I knew now Assembly who Parliament, then if you were maintaining uncle, launch of the book.
Okay.
And the say, afino so ye na me yes me ko ye na ye na wo se me driver wo di ne man ko ye go so mbi ne puno na waje ati na oji ye no ka je ze on ka nyam ze woni mo wasem waje die na so onye na kuma pe mo ne mo wasem
wani ni abia ma wasem
eti bi etu si aye no ka che ne ze o sei ndi so bia be yimi ama o su be yimi ama aba ne me ewu na me ni ewu nti me pa ne cho na me si no mo di si ye kame na me ye imagine say afi me mra che be fie ebi na so afi nka me bo modern ne makone ho na menya mre kwa ne na transfer say you need to do be ifia ohime yi afi ana te me yi afi ana ka so bo sha ma she ne me mfie me ba Christmas me ba o se me hu ni me so disappointed me dia kwani look at this
oh
we the only mum na disappointing you me na disappointed nti me kan se nyame ono so abaye ni die abaye na famu die nyame enfane kra nse yi na afi yo mamu no nyina no yenhwe maybe you know say befitting ya ibetini dia mano let's state no mano state barrier it is good beyond that and dey bi bitin jaye e dey akai no so dey bi bitin jaye e dey akai no for if for nothing so the American women's empowerment concept of the bar Ghana na our key towards that nti kame ne bitin akana no
na ayi wadi ya mame famra yewura Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ne campaign no so ekosei say niema nkrofo de bom sobo no say nipa bi wo wa wo mo kasatia other aspirants mo hwedi mo nka na hwe ne kese mo ahyeda me na me mo no obi bu wa na menyew ayi kwabena kwabo adwum adwaye yansa na nsuo beto na wo bo se me na me mo wo obi bu wa na menyew wo me na me bu eti honorable latest honorable attachia was it yempe ayi president ya oko UN conference okaka malfoka na abronye so atiesim ene ade sa nkomo yi wote ya etosai ene campaign so ba bia mo akro ensa na tiye
I think me giri say iwia ade yi abusuamu na kogato ne aprapre aba no ya junse kasa ye kasa no se ye tuebu asisi wia enka bomunti ibitina kan ho bomu na no ye hamza kran se na sen beti se abronya akoka bibi nti Bawumia ni enka no nhye kwame ye mubi on daily basis listen to Man FM, listen to Ash FM Kumasi ye mubi de bia ye na omode tetu atembi die ko twi ko braman de bia omo nko form de die nobody is talking about that. Adena obi ko kan bibi from obi o support Bawumia ko kan bibi dey say but omo support kan o na Japan on daily basis omo to start two stations e dey think of it. Why are people not talking about that? Me ami wa
but ndi oso ajayo
wa ukrum aguna no encheri mi kwa aguna aguna me call you no na me ne party for bi kudin komo come me call aguna on the 8th of August every enchenya ekotehwe ya Ghana oye ne to man mu say you know say it's 6th August me boa
ai
na 8th August na kwa aguna me ne party for ikuchia nti me call you na nimpo me kase asem na esi no ayo mamu nyina na yene atoye yo na ministers mo free mo ma free mo nkwa no mane to mane boama
ai kofi mane
Muntala me kase ene omo ye ministers no kwame they are ministers of state o minor aswafo enye NDC aswafo they are ministers of state in the constitution they describe them as ministers of state so my munu na ahwea de Dr. Sapon obeye KMB chief executive obeye regional minister if you Asante Krako central region ene oye vice chairman ema NDC Kachia ono ujina obuasia wanyo successful ono so mboye program o mine program o buasia ndi no kan ho aseja form yensa they are military officers of the Republic of Ghana ndi kwa me kase ni esi no mine no na ade atani ndi ansa ne be program ase no mesere se bia nsori ni mo mpaye ma wo mo enyame nyi wo mo kra the video recording on this ewo ye bompa ye na me amedi bi kan ye kan se ansa na ye she party assembly. Oh, if you are abante bi a support Kennedy say fe na so of ya gona ho no ye ejuma we say Mampo Technical Institute Mamtech oh akoye fake Joy FM logo bi dia to say Chinese abonzo say wo mo a o ma wu no o de o ye MPP4 ye MPP4 de mfa ye ho I'm a kai. Kwame wo si it's a friend happen. No, yes, sir. And you may not some trade in JFM4 because the logo no why no a fictitious. I know logo. JFM4 ye news. It be some crime you see me tree mu on the news. Apparently ni between any you can hear Japan a staff on almost so share on social media.
You can a Japan a staff one.
What I say?
You can a Japan a staff one.
Sir,
wow.
I mean, so why are people not talking about this? Now, Sabi in previous I said, you cannot. Two wrongs don't make right. To me, I said, me buy me can't say. Me sign the chairman say, me can't say no. How can I say that? And so, because the person is vicious and callous, the air can is still sharing. Emuho, almost say, me say Dr. Belmia is not fit to be the leader of the party. And Makokawo in Shira FM. Owanwa, or ye me interview, no. The friend is Jantua. Almost the chair echo chile with the James Abunzuankaza, or ya say what could charge I can be as and yet there's no video or voice recording or one I and I'm just one of the James Abunzuanka. I think. I mean, then some dogs, but and not a dear could see him. The necessary and they say, you I ain't fake a say ye, and yet in your back on. And you go back on, then I ain't fake a say ye. Senya, you are and Cambo Moon and Bayembre, am I? Ata, or you mean, Benino, I go on my subject fee. Menino, Crackasa, that's me. The Casamnica and the Minty can already, but Minata, the Casai, the first time now. Because you see, I didn't know quite, and then you are a fatai. As a man, no can. Say, can no Casa said no. Wakasa said, no put your account. But you should those words, then we'll go to know. But me catch anything.
But I would see any crop for now. One must say that was then. And they was
a son. And I make a say. Once I could graduate, I mean, I make a say, and I could graduate, make a say, maybe a man so I want. And the name for Namania take us and make a say. Maybe I do the say. Let's move on. And some of the car young Cassadi, rather than saying to me already. Nina and say, the baby boy only we are and Kabuno, I am I. But the may make a say, Ushumbo, dear, what is some good news? The we attend there, and Yanabutum and Chanko baby. In Chani, if I know na etini akoyeni so eni ensema ba nya mini ba na toshi nya ma shanti nya obi so kwa me say somebody be wow tia no wa for me so say e ko say so say be umia vice president no ku switch le say common fan sika ma the be umia nka ho hwe the be umia na me sika ma no what is the logic in this?
Mami na atoshi.
What is the logic in this? And I was saying, chairman of economic management team. Economic management team, who manage economy in mind. They are not. They are only advisory. They are saying but they advise on the broad contours of the economy. Economic management committee is sanity.
But baby was say yet say Nana Akufo-Addo so can say okofa ne by virtue of the reason say obe manage economy no.
Akufo-Addo Anado yes you know. O kasa se no say o maimu enema mi no high true issues concerned with and as connected with the rule of law and the economy. Or no, we am running mapa. Na Dr. Mahmoud Umia, and so I've been Sikasimu. To be some new cabo, I'm between a manager of my but don't forget, say, Omano, to me, no. Executive authority vests in just one person. Is the chief executive of this country is the president. We are vice president, the Crown Bar. Before you become the chairman of the Economic Management Committee, no, you are the advisor. Who advisor? Who advisor? Also, advisor the man, Machi. Now, any part back community being so also met you, also say you. And you get somebody and better. That's the president decide there. Ultimately, responsibility rests with the president. And he, Obakaso, went near and yeah. When me am choose car na economy no and so you see no I could do 17 and we free honest city near 17 that's all can go no correct NPP fee so no na the exchange rate was not 17 cedis to $1 at no time NPP time and exchange rate in the cost 17 cedis I have propaganda civil America so city na 17 when where's the record. And it's all conform into that, you know, also can be. Now, I say, one can also allegiance, you know, not away. Was it with propagandists or with your own government? But that's another matter. You come in, maybe, you know, I saw the buyer, you know, ye casa, yen fee casa ye. Oma, a war contest in Munya, yen fee casa ye. And say, Brian, and some of our ya ken aka senya wokin be omi ana nkasa de on kan you senya wokin o wokan woka attach and de obi ze ka bro ne de ai but ya me kan se onu nkasa mpo de on kan bi o tie na sama woka it is his message nya obetina yo ama o man no we to buy the abua party no and he is talking about his experience in governance. He is talking about ni track record abainu e kwan kakaka Akufo-Addo bi ma no ideas of the buyer the abainu fire be boyen that niema no wo kan ho asem senti aka na e de ma me no akwapa no kwarfo aka na e de ma me no sei na me boye e de baye so e de bo man ni ye de man ni na sheminza mitia ya mana brosa o mi na sem no o chechiri mu fi ba ko mi ni mienza o chechiri mu no bitimi anya waye a track record and experience and vision and this what digu no that is what Bawumia speaks to onfo bia ho sem enko ba bia enko ka and that is why some of us are following him aye we didn't ho dance here and so ibani senya o ka ye no nyina ye mfenti hofo say wia ye be ken ho bo munti no ekete ma no ehwe
ya hwe techema yi mi wa mame no wase no mi senhira ma wo
ami mi se da sepi
mi se be da se woni mnyafo sechema nsa bonsu aburo ampa otumfo so mpanyene former MP for Swami na former Minister of Parliamentary Affairs ne ade ne na adidi in common former majority leader former minority leader any bibi ye na di nkomo
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.